Hello, welcome to the 8th tutorial of learning programming with JavaScript. In this, we're going to learn about functions. This is how you reuse code and not type the same thing over and over again. We're just going to go straight into this. To declare a function in JavaScript, you type out function, and then whatever name you want the function to be, we're going to call this add. These are what are called arguments. X and Y. These are like variables that are automatically created in the function. So then we have our curly braces here. If you notice, this is almost like the if statement where it will run the code inside the curly braces. And you can also notice this function add is similar to the var declaration. And then functions can also return a result or value, and this is what we're going to do here. Is we're just going to add x and y. So you can see here this function, all it does is add x and y and return the result. Now I'm going to show you how to use this. To call add, you do add, and then in parentheses you do whatever values you want to add. We're going to do 5 and 9, and then we're going to output this result in alert, like that. So now if we run this, you can see it outputs 14, the result of 5 plus 9. Thank you for watching. You have learned how to make functions.